With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the characteristic autonomy occurs in which of the following? So here we see that it is a casting of a body part, casting off or removal of a body part deliberately. So this is done deliberately by the organism in connection with either the defense, right, or for the attack. So what happens when the organism is attacked? So it leaves a part of its body. In case of lizards, it is the tail. In case of crabs, certain limbs will be lost, that is legs. In case of echinoderms, holothurian echinoderms, the viscera will be lost, right? So here, this is present in many organisms as a method of protection from the predator, right? Or for that matter, any other attacking organism. So the characteristic autonomy here will be present in the lizards. So option number 1 here becomes the right answer. While snakes or frogs or cockroaches do not show any such phenomenon. So we can mark option number 1 as the right answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.